Hello, all. Welcome back to English Ladder, where we improve our English one step at a time. In today's lesson, let's learn how to request leave professionally. Are you saying this when you request leave? I need 2 days leave. This expression works well in everyday situations. So, today, let's explore some other ways to sound more polite and professional. Stay till the end and let's climb the English ladder. Let's start with some informal expressions. I need 2 days leave. I want to ask for leave. Can I take 2 days leave? These expressions are informal, simple, and more commonly used in everyday situations. Now, let's see how we can improve our sentences to sound more polite and professional. May I take leave for 2 days? I would like to request 2 days leave. These expressions sound more respectful and they are often used with teachers or supervisors. Now, what if you need to request leave at work? You can use these sentences. Could you please approve my leave request? Could you please consider my leave application? These expressions are really sounding professional and showing your courteousness. Let's look at two more professional alternatives. I would appreciate it if you could approve my leave request. I would be grateful if you could consider my leave of absence, as I need to take care of an emergency at home. These expressions are thoughtful and professional. So, now here is a quick challenge for you. Which sentence sounds the most professional? I need 2 days leave. May I take leave for 2 days? Could you please approve my leave request? Ready? The answer is C. Could you please approve my leave request? Let's quickly review what we have learned. I need 2 days leave. May I take leave for 2 days? Could you please approve my leave request? Here the purpose is the same, but the level of politeness changes depending on the situation. Today, we learned how to request leave using informal, polite, and professional expressions. Thank you for learning with English Ladder. Until next time, keep